Recently, I was having a conversation with one of my clients, and during the conversation, he raised a very pertinent point. Ashish ji, raising a kid nowadays is getting really costly. I remember my father paying 300 rupees for my school fees. But today, for the same school, same class, I'm paying 7,000 rupees per month. And you know what? It's just not the school fees. I just landed up paying 5,000 for his summer vacation classes. That's a hell lot of money. And it's not just about the school and other things. You know what? The way they have been taught is totally changed. हमारा ब्लैक बोर्ड से पढ़ाई करते थे, वो स्मार्ट बोर्ड से पढ़ते हैं. हमारा कॉपी पेंसिल से पढ़ते थे, वो अब आईपैड और लैपटॉप से पढ़ाई करते हैं. So there's a lot of cost that we have to bear as a parent from the development aspect of education. I could not have agreed more with him. It's good that our kids are studying in a better way. But as a parent, we have to bear the cost. The cost of education is not the only thing. There are other various associated costs like extracurricular activities. आप और हम इंटर स्कूल कॉम्पिटिशन जाया करते थे. But today, kids go from MEN. वो एक सिटी से दूसरी सिटी ट्रैवल करते हैं for attending competition. Now talk about higher education. Today, the cost of medical is around 1 to 1.5 crores. The cost of engineering is nothing less than 30 to 50 lakhs rupees. And when you're talking of higher education, let's not talk about the fee part alone. There are other associated costs as well, like lodging, boarding, traveling, entertainment, gadgets, and whatnot. There are so many other costs which we have to bear as a parent and have to pay for it. Generally, when I'm talking with my clients, they do save for their kids' high education, but they end up making 2-3 big mistakes. Number one is that they underestimate the cost of education. उनको लगता है 10, 15, 20 लाख में हो जाएगा, but actually में cost उससे कहीं ज्यादा होती है. The second biggest mistake is that when they're planning for their high education, they forget to take inflation into account. Today, the education inflation is anywhere between 12 to 14%. Now, what does that mean? Is that the cost of education is doubling literally every 6 years. आज जो 1 करोड़ की कॉस्ट है वो 6 साल बाद 2 करोड़ की हो जाएगी और 12 साल बाद 4 करोड़ की हो जाएगी. So accordingly, you have to plan for the inflated cost of education. और lastly, वो सेविंग भी कम करते हैं. उनको लगता है इस सेविंग से हो जाएगा. So what is the resultant factor? जब बच्चे हायर एजुकेशन के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं, उनको या तो एजुकेशन के लिए लोन लेना पड़ता है या उनको अपनी एजुकेशन क्वालिटी पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ता है. So if you are worried about your kids' education and want to save for it, make sure you follow 3 steps. Number 1, start SIP in equity mutual fund as soon as possible. Number 2, as you are nearing your kids' higher education, start transferring money from equity funds to balanced products and then to debt products. And number 3, buy a good term insurance so that you have a plan B in place. So if something goes wrong to you, your kids' dreams are not compromised. At the end, I would like to say, we had it easy because we had limited choices. But आजकल के बच्चों के पास बहुत options है. उनके पास unlimited choices है. So it's better we start earlier, we save in the right way so that we are not sorry for our kids in future. I hope you like this video, and in case you have any questions regarding your kids' higher education, please drop in your questions in the comments below.